Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can check SSL activated or not in your WordPress website. So let me go on the Hostinger website. Then after that, next step is simply login. And here you can see now we are logged in into Hostinger. Then simply click here on the websites, and after that scroll down. Here you can see these are all the websites that I have hosted. Then click here on the manage button, and after that scroll down. On the left side here you can find out some details. Here you can see security. Click here. Then after that click on the SSL. Okay guys, here you can see SSL is active. Simply you can click here, and after that you can uninstall. So I will not recommend you uninstall this one. And after that, if SSL is not activated, then you will get here option to install that. So in this way you can easily check SSL enabled on your WordPress website.